Welcome to our roundup of the best bagged vacuum cleaners for home cleaning this year. Whether you're struggling with persistent dust, pet hair, or allergies, we've handpicked the top bagged vacuums that deliver powerful performance, reliable filtration, and long-lasting durability, all designed to make your daily cleaning tasks easier. We'll explore key features like suction power, filtration systems, floor compatibility, and bag capacities, helping you find the perfect model to suit your home and lifestyle. Let's dive in and discover the ultimate bagged vacuum cleaner for you. Starting at is the Miele Classic C1 Turbo Bagged Vacuum, a German-engineered model known for precision and reliability. Ideal for medium-sized homes, apartments, or small families, it features 1200 W suction power and 6 adjustable speed settings, giving you control over light dust removal or deeper carpet cleaning. The included turbo brush attachment is perfect for loosening embedded pet hair from carpets and rugs, while the air-clean filtration system captures fine dust particles and allergens, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. Its lightweight design and smooth maneuverability make it easy to navigate around furniture and corners, and the durable build ensures years of consistent use. Users often praise the quiet operation, powerful suction, and consistent bag system, though some note that replacement bags can be an ongoing cost. Overall, the Miele Classic C1 is a dependable, all-around bagged vacuum that balances efficiency, portability, and superior cleaning performance. Next up is the Soniclean Soft Carpet Upright Bagged Vacuum, perfect for pet owners and households with mostly carpeted floors. Soniclean is a brand recognized for innovative cleaning technology and deep pile carpet expertise. This vacuum includes powerful suction, HEPA filtration, and anti-allergen technology, effectively removing dirt, dust, and pet dander. It has adjustable height settings and a large dirt capacity, making it versatile for multiple floor types. The ergonomic handle and lightweight upright design enhance comfort, and maneuvering around obstacles is simple. Users appreciate the deep cleaning performance and quiet operation, though it may not excel on very high-pile rugs. Ideal for families with pets or allergy concerns, the Soniclean Soft Carpet Upright Bagged Vacuum is designed to provide superior filtration and consistent suction across medium-sized homes. Coming in at is the Kenmore 81214 Bagged Canister Vacuum, a versatile model celebrated for its powerful suction and adaptability. It's suitable for medium to large homes with a mix of carpeted and hard floors. The Kenmore 81214 comes with multi-surface brushes, adjustable power levels, and an extendable wand, ensuring you can clean under furniture, drapes, and tight spaces effectively. The HEPA filtration system captures dust, allergens, and microscopic particles, making it a solid choice for households with sensitive individuals. Its large capacity bag reduces frequent replacements, while the canister's design allows for easy storage and mobility. Users love the durability, quiet operation, and smooth rolling wheels, though it can be slightly bulky for smaller spaces. Overall, the Kenmore 81214 provides a balance of deep cleaning power, reliable filtration, and versatile floor performance, making it a top-tier choice for homeowners seeking a dependable canister vacuum. Is the Miele Complete C3 Bagged Vacuum, a premium option for homes with varied flooring and allergy-conscious families. This model includes 1200 W suction, 6 speed settings, and specialized floor heads, allowing for customized cleaning on carpets, hardwood, tile, or rugs. The HEPA Air Clean filter traps allergens efficiently, ensuring cleaner air in your living space. Features like automatic cord rewind and easy bag changes add convenience, while its ergonomic design and smooth glide wheels make extended cleaning sessions effortless. Users appreciate the silent operation, deep cleaning performance, and high-quality construction, although it carries a higher price point. Perfect for those seeking premium performance, superior filtration, and long-term reliability, the Miele Complete C3 combines functionality and luxury for demanding home environments. Finally, at number 1 is the Hoover Lightweight Canister Bagged Vacuum, a model that blends portability, power, and ease of use. Ideal for apartments, smaller homes, and seniors, it includes strong suction, multi-surface cleaning heads, and HEPA filtration, ensuring efficient dirt and allergen removal. Its compact and lightweight design allows effortless navigation around furniture and stairs. Users praise its efficient cleaning on carpets and hard floors, simple bag replacement, and maneuverability, though it may not be ideal for very large homes. For those wanting a lightweight, effective, and reliable bagged vacuum, the Hoover canister stands as the ultimate choice, offering practicality without sacrificing performance. And that wraps up our top 5 best bagged vacuum cleaners for home use this year. From the budget-friendly Miele Classic C1 to the mid-range Soniclean and Kenmore models, the high-performing Miele Complete C3, and the premium Hoover lightweight canister, there's a bagged vacuum for every home, floor type, and user need. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews.